And the rough. Hesitant beginning for number 5, Snifter. It was a good start for Coronate, Ali Saro, and Media Kid. It's Coronate with a narrow lead over Ali Saro's on the outside. And Media Kid runs along in third. Horsepower up on the outside in fourth. It's 4 lengths back to Big Sam and Tony D. And another 4 to the 2 trailers, Waynesboro and Snifter. The field has reached the backstretch. After an opening quarter mile in 23 and 2/5 seconds, Coronate steps away here to lead by 4 lengths. Ali Saro and Media Kid right together, second and third. And then it's a break of 3 lengths. Back to Horsepower, who's running in fourth. Tony D is next in fifth, 5 lengths. Back to Big Sam. And then comes Snifter and Waynesboro at the back in eighth. Half mile, 47 and 3/5 seconds. It's Coronate who will lead the field into the far turn. Coronate by 3 lengths. Then it's Tony D, Horsepower, Media Kid, and Ali Saro. Those 4 are all together and all chasing Coronate, who leads by 2 lengths. Tony D now moves into second. Media Kid is right there. 3/4 in 1, 13 and 3. The field enters the stretch with Coronate in front. The lead is down to a length. Media Kid looking for some racing room there. Tony D is to his outside as they come down for the 8th pole. And now there's room for Media Kid. Media Kid in between horses now takes the lead. Coronate at the rail. Tony D on the outside. It's Media Kid at a price here. 11-1 to start the pick 6. Tony D was second. Coronate third, and a huge break. Back to a photo for fourth between Snifter and Waynesboro.